The USS Wisconsin, BB-64, an Iowa-class battleship, embodies American industrial might and naval prowess. Laid down in 1941 at the Philadelphia Navy Yard, Wisconsin emerged as a symbol of American determination during World War II. The ship's construction involved thousands of workers. They labored tirelessly to create a formidable weapon. Christened on December 7, 1943 by Margaret Bryan, wife of Wisconsin's governor, the battleship entered service during a critical juncture in the war. Wisconsin's massive size, powerful armament, and advanced technology represented the pinnacle of battleship design. This made it a formidable force in the U.S. Navy's arsenal. The ship's 9 16-inch guns could hurl projectiles weighing over a ton each. This provided immense firepower against enemy ships and shore installations. Wisconsin's thick armor plating protected it from enemy fire. Its powerful engines allowed it to achieve speeds of over 33 knots. The USS Wisconsin was ready for war. Commissioned on April 16, 1944, the USS Wisconsin quickly joined the fight in the Pacific Theater. The battleship's first mission involved supporting carrier operations in the Marshall Islands. Wisconsin's anti-aircraft guns protected American carriers as they launched airstrikes against Japanese forces. The battleship demonstrated its firepower during the Battle of the Philippine Sea in June 1944. Wisconsin's guns helped repel Japanese aircraft attacks. The ship earned its first battle star in the process. As the war raged on, Wisconsin continued to provide crucial fire support during major campaigns. The ship participated in the Battle of Leyte Gulf in October 1944. This involved repelling Japanese naval forces attempting to disrupt the Allied landings on Leyte. Wisconsin's guns targeted enemy ships. It helped secure a decisive victory for the Allies. The Battle of Iwo Jima in February 1945 showcased Wisconsin's ability to pound enemy defenses. The ship's guns targeted Japanese fortifications on the island. This helped pave the way for the eventual American victory. As the Allied advance continued towards the Japanese home islands, the USS Wisconsin remained a crucial asset. The ship's guns targeted industrial centers and military installations. This helped cripple Japan's war effort. During the Battle of Okinawa in April 1945, Wisconsin provided vital fire support for American troops landing on the island. The ship's guns helped neutralize enemy defenses. They also supported American forces during intense fighting. Wisconsin's anti-aircraft guns protected Allied ships from relentless kamikaze attacks. The ship's crew endured constant danger and hardship. They remained steadfast in their duty. The USS Wisconsin's final action of World War II came during the bombardment of mainland Japan in July 1945. The ship's guns targeted industrial targets and military installations. This contributed to the eventual Japanese surrender in August 1945. Section 4, Cold War Guardian Modernization and a New Mission. Following World War II, the USS Wisconsin underwent a period of modernization and refitting. The ship received numerous upgrades to its weaponry, radar, and fire control systems. These enhancements ensured its continued relevance in the emerging Cold War era. Wisconsin was decommissioned in 1948, however, the escalating tensions of the Korean War necessitated its return to service. The battleship was recommissioned in 1951 and deployed to the Korean Peninsula. Wisconsin's mission focused on providing naval gunfire support for United Nations forces. The ship's powerful guns targeted enemy supply lines, troop concentrations, and artillery positions. This proved instrumental in supporting ground troops and halting the North Korean advance. Wisconsin's presence along the Korean coast also served as a deterrent against potential Chinese intervention. Section 5, Korean Conflict, Shore Bombardment, and Naval Supremacy. During its service in the Korean War, the USS Wisconsin demonstrated the continued relevance of battleships in modern warfare. The ship's accurate and devastating gunfire proved highly effective in supporting ground troops and disrupting enemy operations. Wisconsin's crew endured harsh weather conditions and enemy fire. However, their courage and determination contributed significantly to the eventual armistice in 1953. The battleship's service in Korea earned it 5 battle stars. This solidified its reputation as a reliable and powerful weapon. Following the Korean War, the USS Wisconsin continued to operate with the U.S. Navy, participating in various training exercises and deployments. The ship underwent further modernizations and upgrades, ensuring its ability to meet evolving threats. Wisconsin's presence served as a symbol of American naval power during the Cold War. Section 6. Legacy of Steel Decommissioning and a New Purpose. In 1991, after nearly 50 years of distinguished service, the USS Wisconsin was decommissioned for the final time. The battleship had earned numerous awards and citations. These included 6 battle stars for its service in World War II and Korea. Rather than being scrapped, Wisconsin was donated to the city of Norfolk, Virginia. There, it became a museum ship. This allowed the public to learn about its history and legacy. The USS Wisconsin's transformation into a museum ship ensured its continued significance as a symbol of American naval history and the sacrifices made by those who served aboard her. Section 7. A final salute. Remembering the USS Wisconsin. Today, the USS Wisconsin stands as a proud reminder of American industrial ingenuity and naval might. Visitors can walk its decks, they can explore its compartments, they can imagine the roar of its guns, they can reflect on the bravery of its crews. The ship's story is a testament to the enduring spirit of those who served. It is a reminder of the importance of preserving our nation's maritime heritage. The USS Wisconsin, once a powerful instrument of war, now serves as a beacon of peace and education. It inspires future generations to learn from the past and strive for a brighter future.